bagi Kyrtong na kiseng san partai bophe bagi Kyrtong klemseng gidang penkre na kebentak election MDC Shakasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC but Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC ke Shillong ha ke arpoi terik urempang arja arpusan ke Dr. Mizal Ampareen Lingdo MLA ke NPP na Shillong East but ke menteri ketenat kekot ke kia ke sarkar MDA 2 ke Laong bagi parti kan job bon ngut ki MDC ha baro artli ki Autonomous District Council ha bakran sikilat pathai kubor ha ke san terik urempang arja arpusan ke Dr. Ampareen ke penpau ke jingsngau Shaniah haki Kyrtong namar hadian usnam khat khandai spa nyopuar ke ni ke seng ke badan ni jingdan bon ngut ki MLA ha ke yeng darbar thau an ke jella.
The National People's Party is conversant, preparing and gearing itself up for the 2 district council elections that are happening in the state on the 21st of February. I have a feeling that these MDC elections may have results which are far different from the previously held elections in the state. It would be incorrect for me to sound predicting too much, but our candidates are grounded and they are being supported by the party in as many ways as possible to ensure that our numbers in the district council are comfortable, secure, and we are looking at these partnerships that will likely be close to the partnerships that we have in state government. I am confident that our candidates are working hard. And I pray that God will bless every candidate, will bless the party. And the High Command is clear on its mission. We must win. We will all work hard. And we must ensure that these elections do not get too personalized. There should be no anger. There should be zero intolerance. And we must remember that all of us are here because we have one common agenda in our minds, and that is to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya to the best of our capacities. We do not lose sight of that. Doesn't matter. Politics has its own dimensions. But the NPP is strong, the NPP is confident, and we don't think that we will not be the lead party in both the autonomous district councils. This is the joy of Indian democracy. Every party rises and says, my party is winning. There's nothing anyone can do about it. The actual results will obviously unfold the true picture. But when we are telling you as a party that we will come up with the right numbers and we will be a party that you need to reckon with. And it is factual. Somebody else will predict and blow the trumpet of their own party. But the pulse, wherever I go, indicate a different picture from the MP. That I'm confident about. Which result in the state of Meghalaya has never had complicated complicated numbers. Just look at all the numbers of all the elections that we've had down the years. After 1972, today the NPP is the single largest party with the mandate that is correct. After 1972, so we are used to fractured mandates, but fractured mandates can change in any direction. That is the beauty of Indian democracy. I am very sure that despite the fact that there has been attempts to condemn the NPP and its performance, too much happening around the community, whether it's in the road sector, whether it's in the health sector, whether it's in education. I think it would be difficult for anyone to lie that the NPP is actually not doing a good job. I don't think that it is possible for people not to see nor not to hear. You can see what's happening around you. You can ask citizens how are they feeling. Look at how employment generation has reached the last man in the last mile. When did you see this confidence beaming in citizens? That employment is now equal for all. Our sources of income generation reaches down to the block. Even farmers are feeling more confident. Businessmen and entrepreneurs are also feeling confident after many years. How do you get this kind of a confidence? Through stable governance. And the NPP has been, along with its partners, delivering stable governance, which is the index of any other argument about politics. You don't have stability, you will have problems. So I urge upon the citizens to be stable, think before you vote, use evaluation indexes which justify your choice of candidate.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam, kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bha, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.